have more than 44 years of experience in manufacturing industrial high-precision metal components for using in domestic and international markets, and over 25 years of experience in automotive and machine components manufacturing. We have developed and continuously improved the production process while being committed to environmental conservation and have received international recognition for this commitment. As a result of our commitment, we have become one of the leading metal component manufacturers because of our high standards for quality and production capabilities. Since we established OEI Parts Company Limited in 1993, the company has experienced continuous growth, and in 1995, we moved our production facilities to a larger facility in Samut Prakan province. OEI Group has 4 manufacturing facilities and 6 companies: OEI Parts Company Limited, KI Precision Company Limited, 7Cs Innovation Company Limited, OEI Properties Development Company Limited, ISIL Thailand Company Limited, OEI Yamanaka Company Limited. We consistently develop new products to adapt and meet every need of our customers. Our products and processes include high-precision metal parts by CNC machines, high-precision sheet metal parts by stamping, laser cutting, spot and robot welding, and venting processes, high-precision cold forge parts, high-precision coupling for machinery industry, standard parts for press die. We are consistently improving our process and implementing new advanced technologies to improve our quality and delivery time to meet our customers' needs. We are able to do this because of our highly skilled staff. We have over 200 machines in the production line that use both partial and complete automation systems and work piece inspection with advanced measuring tools to ensure a highly efficient process. We are greatly focused on high-quality inspection standards. Every step of the production process is inspected to the highest possible standards, and we have invested heavily in our research and development to consistently improve our QA standards. Our inspection processes include incoming inspection, in-process inspection, final inspection. Our greatest asset is our highly skilled employees who manage each process and ensure everything working efficiently and effectively. We have developed and implemented a customized management system to help control quality and operating costs while reducing production times to ensure on-time delivery for our customers. At OEI Group, our employees are like family, and we provide a safe working environment, welfare and team-building activities, educational programs and seminars to encourage career advancement. In addition to quality-related targets, we also focus on a safe working environment. We also initiate community-based projects to help improve society and respect our social responsibility. It is our mission to always remain committed to our customers. We have been IATF 16949 and received recognition for our commitment to quality. We have received several awards from leading institutes that recognize our efforts, success, and accomplishments. OEI Group is proud of our long-standing commitment to develop and create outstanding products for our customers and our long-standing community involvement.